Allah put in your path, anything, there is a learning message from Allah. And the question is, what's the message? Did I get it? And the most important thing, what did I learn from it? So here I am, when I was walking, we went to the University of Malaysia Mosque, and I was walking and I was really feeling hot, the humidity. And I look around me and everybody is normal. Because you're used to, right? Same thing, for example, when I used to live in the Midwest in the United States, in the middle of the winter, it's cold, it's ice, it's not only snow. And when I get family visiting me from California, they think this is impossible. What does that teaches you? This is a message. Remember, everything is a message from Allah. He doesn't put you in a circumstance just because. You know, okay, and then I'm going to comment, I'm going to laugh or cry or just pass by. It's a message and I need to learn. Teaches me the following. And this is, again, I am sharing with you a thought. It's a reflection I lived. If they can do it, I can do it. That's something for all to learn. If all these people around me were standing, some of them were standing outside, and they were absolutely fine. Women, mashallah, tabarakallah, in a beautiful Islamic dress. Then if they do it, I can do it. And the opposite is also true, and this is what I will say to you. When people ask me, how did you memorize the Quran? You know what I say to them? If I can do it, you can do it. If you know the struggle and how difficult and how many people said to me, you will never do it, you will not be able to do it because you are so busy and this and that, and Allah made it happen. And this is when people tell me, I can't do it. I said, please forgive me. If I can do it, you can do it. Same thing, anything you see in your life that you find, you think, and again, young and old, brothers and sisters, it doesn't matter. You think, no way I can do it. Don't say that. Because if Allah allowed a human being to do it, that means He gave you the ability. The only difference is how long it will take you. The journey of some people easier than the others. But the reward is what? Depends on the efforts, right? Nothing with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala goes vain. And Allah does not take me accountable, and that's what I keep saying. Alhamdulillah, Allah is my Lord. Because Allah does not take me accountable on the results. True or false? What does He take me accountable or He rewards me for? The effort, the journey. So when you start, for example, the journey of knowledge, Allah is not going to say, well, you didn't take your PhD, then nothing is going to happen. Because that's unfair. I put the effort, but something happened and I couldn't do it. He will reward me for every effort I put. And this is something for all of us, and the beauty of this deen. Every effort, every struggle, every unease, whether it's a feeling in me, whether it's a feeling and translated to action, whether it's a pain, came to me from someone. In every step, I will be rewarded if I respond the way He wants me to respond.